The army and the police in Jammu and Kashmir seem to have reached boiling point. Police have lodged an FIR against an army unit, accusing them of vandalizing their station and even injuring several policemen. Times Now's Tariq Mir has his exclusive report.
The telltale signs are still untouched. This is a police station in Kashmir's volatile border town of Handwara. The shocking part is that the police allege this was done by 3,000 troopers led by their officers who stormed into this police station.
तीन गाड़ियों में सवार होकर आए और ज़बरदस्ती यहाँ से तेल ले लिया और यहाँ पर कुछ ज़ब्ती के मोबाइल थे या वो एसपीओज़ का तनख्वाह आया था वो और एक राइफल एक और बाकी कुछ चीज़ें मतलब यहाँ से ज़बरदस्ती ले गई और जितने भी जवान यहाँ थे उनकी मारपीट की उनको शदीद जख्मी किया.
Angry, the local police filed an FIR against commanding officer of the 33 Rashtriya Rifles and other personnel for attempting to murder policemen.
It's very unfortunate that this incident occurred because of some misunderstanding between the troops at lower level of police and army. And now the matter has been resolved at the high level, and we have already ordered a joint investigation and to find out the details of causes of this.
But the police are not convinced. Sources in the police say on Friday the top brass shot off two strong-worded letters to the Defence Minister and the Chief of the Army Staff seeking their intervention. But the issue is soon gaining a political colour, with leaders playing on the popular theme of troop cut.
Assurance given by the former Chief Minister, Mr. Mufti Saab, and now Mr. Azad also on the floor of Assembly. There will be a good coordination between the police and the security forces, paramilitary forces, time and again. Why the human rights violation are taking place? There is no coordination between the two forces. There is no coordination between the local police and the CRP. And which result is such episodes and incidents.
Well, this is the police station that is at the heart of the new turf war between the police and the army in this North Kashmir township of Handwara. But what is worrying about this battle is that it is overly taking on the political overtones, as local politicians are siding with the police and accusing army of running the affairs of this area by the force of the gun. Tariq Mir, Handwara, Times Now.
Meanwhile, India's Army Chief J.J. Singh has reacted to the latest face-off between the army and the police in the valley. In fact, he's come out in defense of his men, saying that perhaps there could have been provocation from the other side. Take a look.
That in these isolated incidents, there must be some provocative act. So we don't know the details, what provoked the soldiers to do this. Maybe somebody is at fault on the other side also. But if our army people have done anything incorrect, we will take them to task. We have never allowed any indiscipline to be tolerated, and that is our greatest strength. And second thing is that we will advise the others to also correct their mistakes.